Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something that affect every Indian in some way. The union budget is announced. Whether you a student, a salary person, professional, a budget business owner, a farmer, or some who invest in the stock market, the budgets shape the country futures. So in this video, I walk through the most important announcement in a simple, easy way. Let's bring start. This year, budget is focused on long-term growth. The government is push three main things: infrastructure, future technology, and support for farmers and small businesses. The message is clear: build industry, create jobs, and prepare India for the next decade. Uh, One of the biggest highlight in manufacturing, in infrastructure, the government has allocated 12.2 lakh crore for roads, railway, ports, waterways, and logistic. That means more highway, faster rail network, better cargo movements, and development of inland waterways. Why does this matter? Because better infrastructure attract investment, speed up business activities, and creates employment. Budget 2026 puts heavy focus on new age industries. There are strong push for semiconductor manufacturing, electronics and AI, data centers and cloud services, rare earth minerals used in EVs, phones and defense. Specific minerals corridors will be developed so India depends less on imports. The goals to make India global manufacturing and technology hub. Then farmers also get important attention. Key step include an AI based farming platform for weather update and crop advice, high farmer loan limits, investment in fishers and irrigations. These moves aim to improve productivities and farmer income. Healthcare in another big focus, the government remove custom duty on several cancer medicines to make treatments more affordable. There are also plans to upgrade hospitals, medical college, and regional healthcare centers. MSME are the backbone of the economy. This year, 10,000 crores MSME growth funds has been allocated. Easier loan, simpler compliance rules. This should help small businesses scale up and hire more people. Next, tax and investment update. Now, let's talk about investors and stock market trends. There is no major change in personal income tax slab, but the government has made some important change for people who trade in the market. One key update is about STT Security Transaction Tax. In budget 2026, STT of future has gone up from 0.02% to 0.05%. STT on option premiums has increased from 0.10 to 0.15%, and STT when options are exercise has also been raised to 0.15%. What does this mean in simple words? If you trade a lot in future and option, you per trade cost will be silently higher from now on. For long-term investors who mostly buy shares and hold them, this want to change much, but for active traders it definitely matters. Then the government want to simplify the tax rules, reduce compliances burn, cut TCS on several travels, and make it easier for NRIs and foreign investors to invest for the market. So overall approach here is stability with some fine tuning for the market. Now we are summarizing what the Union Budget 2026 is about: state future, focus growth. So that was the Union Budget 2026 in simple terms: infrastructure boom, tech push, farmer support, healthcare relief, and yes, higher STT for traders. Now I want to hear from you which part of the budget affect you the most. It's road and railways, stock market taxes, healthcare, or farming support. Drop your answer in the comment. I read every single one. And if you like the breakdown of the 2026 budget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Follow for more breakdown coming every soon. See you in the next one. Thank you.